Hello, this is Dr. Gary O'Neill with Take5, where we encourage you to take 5 minutes every day to review your Greek grammar so that you'll be able to use it for a lifetime. We will continue with our passage that we've been looking at for the last number of studies. This is from the Gospel of John, chapter 6. Let me read it and then let's talk about it. Hoi un anthropoi idantas ha epoiesin semean elegan, hati hutas estin elethos ha prophetes ha erkamenas eis tan kosmon. Okay, so notice un, our conjunction coming first, referring back to what happened in the passage, the verse right before this. Remember, the verse right before this talked about how there were 12 baskets of fragments that were taken up after everybody had eaten. So therefore, hoi anthropoi, notice what the parsing is for these, hoi anthropoi. This would be our nominative plural masculine. So this is our subject, the men. The people, so the people, idantes, seeing, ha epoiesin semeon, seeing a sign which he did. So this idantes is our participle, and it is telling us something about the time of when these men are going to say this, the latter part of this verse. They're going to make a statement here, and this participial phrase here is telling us what is going on, why they are making this statement. So idantas, seeing a sign which he did, elegan, were saying. So the men were saying, this is our imperfect, they were saying. So what were they saying? Hati, notice how hati, the conjunction here, is used very similar to our quotation marks. So if you're translating it, either put in quotation marks and not translate the hati, or you can translate the hati with that, but understand that it's introducing this statement. Okay, so they are saying, what are they saying? Well, they're saying, hutas estin elethos ha prophetes ha erkamenas eis tan kosmon. This is truly or surely the prophet, the coming into the world. Okay, so this is truly the prophet. Notice our case for ha prophetes. This is a nominative, singular, masculine. Okay, ha prophetes. It has that ending on it. Remember, because this is one of those third declensions. It is a masculine, even though it looks like that is a feminine ending there. You can clue that in with the article in front of it. So if this is a nominative, then we would normally look for this to be the subject, right? But hutas, our demonstrative pronoun, is actually functioning as the subject, and so ha prophetes is our predicate nominative. It's pointing back to this. This is truly the prophet. Well, then we have this another participial phrase modifying what kind of prophet this is that we're talking about. Ha erkamenas, erkamenas, our participle, nominative, plural, singular, referring back to prophet, the coming one, the one who comes, eis tan kosmon, that prepositional phrase, into the world. So their statement when they saw this was, truly, this is the prophet who comes into the world. Just to note, the prophet that comes into the world is a reference back to Moses, where he told Israel that one day God would send them a prophet like him. And so this is what the people are referring to when they make this statement. Okay, that's it for today. We will see you next time on Take 5.